Hi everyone. I just want to show you one of the easiest wins you can get today using AI, and that is recording your meetings and turning them into customized meeting minutes. Most of us already use Teams or Zoom that automatically records our meetings and turns them into transcripts. And if you don't, you can use apps on your mobile phone that do the same. So here's the idea. This is a transcript from a team meeting. Traditionally, someone is responsible for taking the minutes, which often leads to incomplete notes, errors, or unnecessary use of staff time. Or even worse, the meeting isn't recorded at all, and important points are simply missed or forgotten. But with a simple automation, you don't need to do any of that. All you do is copy the transcript, email yourself with the keywords like transcript as a subject, and you have an email rule in place in your Outlook to forward emails through to the folder called Transcripts. Behind the scenes, you have make.com that wakes up, grabs the transcripts from your email, which is a new email that's just come through, sends it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT has a custom prompt to turn your transcripts into clean, structured meeting minutes to your liking. And within moments, you get a customized email back with a title, a summary, attendees, discussion points, and action items, and anything else to your liking. Remember, this is customizable. That's it. No editing, no manual formatting. Just copy the transcript, email it to yourself, and the automation does the rest. This is just one quick, low effort, high reward automation that anyone can set up. This will save a huge amount of time if you're doing regular meetings and workshops. It ensures that minutes are documented accurately for everyone involved. Hope this gives you a good idea of what is possible with AI today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.